Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to block someone on LinkedIn without them knowing. Now guys, before you continue this video to know the ways, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to go to the LinkedIn app and then head to the profile of the member you want to block and click the three dots button and then tap report or block here. From the what do you want to do pop-up window, select block the name of the member and then hit block. So yeah guys, just it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck!